Ali is a young man. He lives in a small village. The houses are old. The road is dusty. Life is quiet, but very hard. Ali is poor, but his heart is kind. Ali lives with his parents. His father is very sick. He cannot walk well. His mother works every day. She looks tired. Ali feels sad when he sees them. Every morning, Ali wakes up early. He brings water. He helps his mother. He cleans the house. He does not complain. He wants to be strong. At night, Ali sits alone. He looks at the dark sky. He thinks about money. He thinks about food. He thinks about the future. He feels afraid. One day, Ali makes a hard decision. He wants to go to the city. He wants to find work. He wants to help his family. His heart beats fast. Ali tells his mother. She feels scared. She cries softly, but she hugs him. She says, "Be strong." Ali feels pain and hope together. Ali leaves the village. He carries a small bag. He walks slowly. He looks back one last time. He does not know when he will return. The road is long. The sun is hot. Ali feels tired. His feet hurt. He drinks little water. Still, he keeps walking. Ali reaches the city. The city is loud. There are many cars and people. Tall buildings are everywhere. Ali feels small and lost. Ali looks for work every day. He asks many people. Some say no, some laugh, some ignore him. His heart feels heavy. Ali has little money. He eats very little. His stomach hurts. At night, he sleeps on the street. The ground is cold. One night, rain falls. Ali has no roof. His clothes get wet. He feels very weak. He cries quietly. Ali thinks about home. He thinks about his mother's smile. He thinks about his father's pain. He does not want to fail. The next day, Ali finds a small job. The work is very hard. He cleans and lifts heavy things. His body hurts. The boss is strict. He shouts sometimes. Ali feels afraid, but Ali keeps working. He needs the money. Days become weeks. Weeks become months. Ali gets stronger. His hands are rough. His heart is brave. Ali saves a little money every day. He counts it carefully. He smiles softly. He feels proud. Ali sends money home. His mother cries with joy. His father smiles. Ali feels light inside. After a long time, Ali returns home. The road feels different now. His heart feels full. His family sees him. They run to him. They hug him tightly. Tears fall. Love fills the air. Ali looks at his village. It is small and poor, but it is home. He feels peace. At night, Ali sits under the stars. He remembers the pain. He remembers the strength. He smiles and feels proud. His long road made him strong.